Hi there, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to switch accounts on Roblox Mobile. First you have to click on more at the bottom right corner, then scroll down and you will find switch accounts. Simply click on switch accounts and you will find all the accounts that are available in your Roblox account. Now in the Roblox application you can also add account by simply click on this plus add account button to add a new account. Simply click on it and you can log into existing account or you can create a new account. For existing account you just need to enter your email address or your username or your phone number, then simply click on next and then enter your password. Also if you want to create a new account then you have to enter your birth date, your first name, your last name, you have to select a username, you have to select a gender, and then after completing the primary personal details you can create a new Roblox account. Then you can switch between the accounts from your Roblox mobile. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.